What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Al back with another video. Today we are gonna be linking up with my boy Zeus. I'm gonna try to knock out 2 videos today. We're gonna be reviewing his SRT charger. Let's get to it.
Myself to be hurt. Took all the pain from my past and wear that shit like a shirt. I got them pussy niggas mad as a chain. I'm already on work.
Alright, I'm gonna start y'all off with a cold start. Yes, sir. Y'all hear that bit? Straight pipe, nothing else. That's it. That's all we got done to it. Straight pipe, nothing else. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment below if you in the 804. We can link. The boy trying to get wicked out here, man. I was supposed to do another video for y'all today. I was technically supposed to have 3 videos, but your boy overslept. I was supposed to go to Cars and Coffee. We might catch it next weekend. Hopefully I catch it next weekend. I damn sure wanted to go, but we're gonna link up with my boy Zeus. I think first I'm gonna go and wash the car. This bitch dirty. Hold on, let me get y'all cool. Oh my God. Nah. See, this bitch be different when you... This bitch be different. This bitch be different when you first start that hoe up, man. I'm gonna turn y'all around. Yeah, man, I don't like that windy videoing. In the video, I just hate it, bro. I gotta get me a mic set up. I need a GoPro. I'm trying to get an instant 360 for y'all. I need the whole 9, bro. And this video quality might seem less than my other video because I'm dropping down to 1080p. It take too long to render the videos, and it take up a lot of space for the 4K. So we're dropping it down to 1080, 60 frames. I feel like that's good enough. Yeah, man. I'm gonna try to get a little cut upage before I get to Zeus, man. But yeah, man, we're gonna link up with Zeus. I'm gonna go wash the car first. I don't really feel like stopping at a self-car wash. I'm gonna just go through the drive-through joint just for the sake of time. I ain't really got a lot of time today. I got a lot of stuff I need to do today. I think tomorrow, well, see, that might be 3 videos. Why the fuck would you do that? See, that might be 3 videos. I might make a whole nother video because I still need this joint. I need to put this door panel on and the decals, and I think I need to put the RT emblem back on the rear. I'm not gonna put the charger back because everybody knows it's a charger. I don't really like it, and they chrome anyway. I want to black it out and leave the inside red on the RT. It's already like that, but it's chrome, but I would prefer it be black. And then I'm gonna try to get these wheels from my boy Zeus in probably like a week or 2, bro. Gotta get those. I really don't like Forest Hill, bro. I don't know if y'all live in Richmond. I fucking hate Forest Hill because they all drive like this. He cruising. It don't seem like we cruising, but we cruising. Or maybe it's just me because we dead ass going 40. 40. In a 35, and I'm right here talking about he going too slow. You tweaking. I hate this light, man. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all at the car wash. And we pulling up to the car wash. Like I said earlier, man, don't ask me why I'm right here going through the drive-through jump. I just don't feel like doing. I'm on the time crunch, man. It's not that I don't feel like doing it, but I ain't really got much time today. ain't really got much time today. And I used to have the pass, but we ain't got the pass no more. So we gonna see what's to it. Oh, wash with my soul bad. Y'all got me fucked up. Come on now, I ain't getting no mist. All right, there you go. There we go. How about the boy? I said I ain't just put my money out. And hopefully this shit don't mess up my roof. We're gonna have a problem. Soak the boy up, clean it up for me. I hope this shit do good. Usually, when this joint used to be Rio, I used to have the pass on here, but I got rid of it because I just ain't really have time to keep going to the car wash. But it was worth it to have if you was going like say 4 or 5 times a month. But I think when I had it, I was trying to go every day. Like no bull, I was going every day, non-stop. Let's see how they got. Wheel's still a little dirty, but they cleaned up the paint though. Cleaned up the paint real nice. Yeah. Oh, I don't think I got the wheel shine, but that's why the wheel's still like that. And I got the wheel shine. I ain't really clean the wheels too well though. Yeah, man. My boy Zeus should pull up in a minute. I'm gonna pull y'all back out when he start pulling up. I'm about to vacuum the car. What is that? Yeah, I'm about to vacuum this junk, clean it out a little bit, but y'all see it. Check me out. They took my nigga's spot though, like, yes sir. Yeah. Stop playing with it. Oh, he hit us with the downshift? No, he didn't. He hit it like that. And we got an open spot. He better hurry up. Y'all see that, boy? Them boys got the whips out. He got the Civic out this bit. He got some exhaust done on that Jane too. I want me a Civic, but... Oh, see? Come on, man. It's a perfect day for that shit, man. The perfect fucking day. Raining out this bit. Sunny. You gotta love it, bro. Everybody bring their whips out. Y'all see that, boy? Yeah, turn the fog lights back on. That shit look crazy. He had the fog lights on that bit. SRT. That boy done traded, man, he traded it 5-0 for that bit. Y'all see it? Yes, sir. Look at them bitches. See, I gotta upgrade, bro. I gotta update them tail lights, man. That shit make my shit look old. It is old, but. Ew. Oh, he got the fuckboy button. What's good, man? Yes, sir. Y'all see that bit? Clean. Too clean. Bro, when you pulled out with the fog lights, I was like, damn, that shit look too sweet. I was like, yeah, I gotta upgrade my fog light.
I forgot it.
That Jane was looking too crazy.
No.
Yeah, them joints is on.
When my headlight, yeah, goes dark in there.
Ah, okay. That's that,
I think it cuts on automatically. I don't know.
For sure. Look, Udo. They missed the spot. Y'all see it, 392 anything. Hold on, he done opened the trunk. Got the 15 in that bill. You got an extra one? Let me get one of those. I gotta wipe off.
No, put everything back in.
Now they taxing on that because it wouldn't even cost that much.
Somebody bought a Mustang with audio.
Yeah. I would have bought that shit too. I think the only people who wouldn't care is like real, I don't know, like car people, like a real car geek who's in the audio. We got wheels, that bitch got aftermarket shit. I think it was really just a bunch of people looking at it that didn't know what the fuck they was looking at. Y'all see it. We gonna go park this joint somewhere and we'll ride in this joint. He got the key. But yeah, man, Brembo brakes gonna come. This coming. It's all in progress though, cause that shit, all that shit costs money. Every last drop of that shit costs money, man. See, I would have removed that, like on here. But like I was telling y'all, the charger, I'm not putting the word charger back on. I'm probably gonna put that Ram back on just so people know, like, when this came out, it was the Ram emblem, not the little Dodge with the 2 dash marks. RT gotta go back right there. Hemi gotta go back on the side right here. But I think that's it. But that's what that other badge looks like. They go in that rear. Come on, man, that shit missed the spot. I got doodle on my shit. Or did that just happen? Hell nah, that shit just missed it. You go around. I'm gonna follow that boy. I'm gonna show y'all how to get this video, boy. He better not swing that bitch. He better not. Imagine if he swung that bitch, y'all. Just imagine if he swung that bitch. That'd be wicked. He ain't swinging. In traffic right now with the SRT Daytona. What? Wait, not SRT Daytona. RT Daytona and the SRT, man. Oh, see, I thought he was ready to get on it. Y'all, hey, bro, I gotta keep up with this nigga. And he gone. Out this bitch. For the SRT move. Leaving his little Daytona in the back. I just need 100 horsepower to catch his ass, man. Just 100. Y'all hear it? It's too loud, man. I hate the wind, man. We gonna roll these windows up, man. That shit fuck up the quality, man. Think this our exit? Nah. Alright, cool out, man. We getting hot. You making us hot, boy. Shit. We got all day. Man, let's stop at the Regency. The little Daytona that could, the little 5.7. I tell y'all this though, this bitch is trash on roads, bro. But it's fun if you driving through the city. He downshifting through the tunnels and shit. Wait till we get in that bitch, y'all. Wait till we get in that bitch. We gon' show y'all what that bitch really do. But we can't go too crazy because you know we in the city. We ain't in Mexico right now. Not in Mexico. We ain't have time to go to Mexico. Think we're going the wrong way, man. Think we gotta hit the U. Oh no, we didn't. Regency in front of us. What am I thinking? Hold on, we gonna get this shit. Y'all see it? SRT thing. Give me some. Show me some. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's what y'all want to see. That's what we gotta see, man. Making movies out here. A whole movie out there, man. And he like that for real. I'm gonna miss that bitch though. We definitely gonna miss that shit. Y'all see it. That boy get wicked on.
Okay, you know how much this car was?
For property taxes.
$700 for 6 months.
God damn, bro. Y'all hear that bitch popping. I see it. What the SRT pages look like?
These are cleaner.
What a performance pages.
These are cleaner. I don't like the other ones that got like the big numbers that go all around.
Oh yeah. Watch for the ops. We using Waze, bitch. Watching they ass.
I thought it was a cop earlier.
I know, and that's why I got over, so because it looked like you had some space to get over. And I said, nah, let me get in the way so he don't take off. Because I seen his ass. I said, yeah, let me go ahead and
I didn't know
that.
the car was. Yeah, I didn't know the car was up there. I seen him later, and I was like,
I had to block that shit.
I was like, let me not be too loud.
And then I passed him. I was like, watch he fuck with me. Watch he try to get behind me. Just because he seen me some kind of way. I just knew he was going to try to get me, bro.
You know, I always thought about doing though when stuff like that happened. If that happened to like Anthony,
Yeah.
he get pulled over. I was literally just gonna like come this close to the cop and roar past him, so he could probably like get away from him and then start going after me. But I'm already
gone.
like 2 lights down.
Yeah. I got to record that BMW too. He said he got a tune on that bitch. What? He'll definitely probably leave my ass. Nah, he gonna leave my ass. I don't know about the dig though.
I'll say I never run him from a dig either. I'll say though that we only done on the highway, but
Yeah.
he's got top end. That's for sure.
He was pulling?
No, like I'll catch up to him, but like it should not take me that long to catch up to him.
Oh yeah, that's
He'll be
crazy.
like right here where this car's at, and I'm only like creeping up behind him, doing 100.
Yeah, that's wild. Nah, he got a.
Because I'm still faster than him, but
That's on turbo, ain't it?
yeah.
So it just got tuned, no upgrade to turbo.
I think he's
Pulling like crazy.
It's only what I think they were N55,
Yeah, I don't really know much about the BMW engine, right?
and I think N54 is the naturally aspirated.
275 coming live. We in Mexico. We just went to Mexico that fast. Yeah, that bitch definitely get up though. Y'all see how that shit be moving.
I still never done this yet. I have this, but I don't do nothing with it.
What's that? Oh, that's. I wonder how the shift sounds. You in track now?
Yeah.
Let me roll it. I wonder if it sound different. Cause I would watch a lot of videos when people would do that shit. That bitch grip, boy. Ooh, go race the Tesla. Dig his ass. Line up beside his ass. Is that the dual motor?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the dual motor, bro.